We live in a woods, so I thought I'd put the 6-inch mini electric saw to the test. We have the 6-inch mini chainsaw, and it comes with this nice carrying case. It also comes with 2 batteries, some oil, some gloves, the charging cable, and these glasses, safety glasses. And also it comes with tools, the tools you'll need. I almost forgot, it also comes with 2 extra chains. Before you start, you need to oil the chain. And we've got it all charged up and ready to go. Safety first, make sure you wear your glasses and your gloves. It does a pretty good job. I linked this down below. It's on sale right now, and it would make a great gift idea for anybody who has some trees they need to trim up, or if they have fruit trees, because it would be great for pruning, but it's great for small limbs and branches. And like I said, check it out.